Today we're going to go over the installation process for our ultimate ratchet straps on either a Chevy or GMC. So we got a 4-pack here. We're going to go on all 4 corners, and what you're going to get in the box, you get 4 straps and 4 hardware packs. Inside the hardware packs you get 4 screws, 4 washers, and 2 cross nuts. You're also going to need a 3/16 Allen wrench. So before we get going in the truck, we're going to kind of get these pre-installed a little bit to make life easier. You're going to take one of the cross nuts, and you'll notice each of them have a dimple, and that dimple needs to go towards you this way. So that's the way that the screw is going to screw in. We're going to take the top of the strap, made in the USA, goes up, and we're going to put the cross nut behind it with the dimple towards you, and we're going to screw that in. And you want to pretty much bottom it out where it's flush right there. You can feel it with your finger. For now, you're just going to bottom it out right there. And then we're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Let's rotate the strap around here. Take our other cross nut, dimple out, and we're going to get that one started the same way. All right. So now when you flip them over, we're kind of creating 2 little hooks here, and those are going to hook inside the truck. So we're going to be installing them on the hooks here. So you can either do the top 2 or the bottom 2. Kind of whatever works for you. A lot of trucks only have these 2, so you'll have to put them on there. That's where we're going to put them today. You're going to grab the strap and with, the cross nuts that we just installed, and put your fingers on the screws here to kind of make hooks out of these. They go right over the hooks or the loops, and then they slide right down. It kind of holds them in place just so it's a little bit easier to work on. Now grab one of your other screws. You're going to kind of hold the cross nut kind of straight. You just want to not let it flop around in there. It should screw in fairly easy. If it's too hard, just stop, realign. You don't want to cross thread it. Once you get it lined up correctly, they'll go right in just like that. You don't have to use much force at all. So let's get those in there a little bit. Then we'll move to the bottom one. You don't want to tighten the top all the way yet. Same thing, reach your fingers behind. Get it started just like that. And you grab your 3/32 Allen wrench. I'm sorry, 3/16 Allen wrench. And just go back and forth, top, bottom. You want to do it nice and evenly so that cross nut does not get all crooked in there. Once they start to get snug, there's a little bit of play here, so I like to right in the middle, slide it up a little bit, then you can tighten it down. All right, so that one's good. Same thing on the bottom, back and forth until it starts to snug down. You can see it pulling it right to the side of the truck here. And that's it. Nice and sturdy. Check rotation. You have there. All right, tuck it in, and that's it.